7 public speaking tips for a confident presentation. Have you ever found yourself staring at a sea of faces, heart pounding, palms sweating, terrified of speaking up? You're not alone, but here's the thing, your voice matters. You have something unique and powerful to share with the world. Today, we're diving into 7 public speaking tips that will empower you to own the stage and deliver a captivating presentation. The first step to delivering a killer presentation is understanding who you're talking to. Are you speaking to seasoned professionals, eager students, or a diverse group? Knowing your audience is like having a secret weapon. Tailor your message, tone, and examples to resonate deeply with the people you want to reach. Let's talk about the key to unlocking your inner speaking superstar practice. Even the most seasoned speakers prepare relentlessly. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Rehearse like you're about to rock a stadium concert. Each time you practice, you'll refine your delivery and step onto that stage with unwavering confidence. You've got one shot to grab your audience's attention and set the tone for an unforgettable presentation. Imagine a speaker who bursts onto the stage with infectious energy and starts with a powerful story, a mind-blowing statistic, or a thought-provoking question. Start strong and watch the audience lean in, eager to hear your every word. A presentation shouldn't feel like a lecture. It should be an interactive experience, a conversation. Ask thought-provoking questions, encourage participation, and inject a little humor to keep things engaging. People are more likely to remember how you made them feel than every single word you say. Make them feel something. Control your body language. Speak volumes without saying a word. Your posture, gestures, and facial expressions convey a powerful message to your audience. Stand tall, use hand gestures to emphasize key points, and make eye contact to forge a personal connection. Speak slowly and clearly. Every word matters. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to start racing through your speech. Slow down and enunciate clearly. Give your audience time to absorb the information. Pauses are powerful. Use them to emphasize key points and create anticipation. End with a strong conclusion. Leave a lasting impression. Summarize your key points, reinforce your message, and end with a powerful call to action or a thought-provoking question. Your conclusion is your mic drop moment, your chance to leave a lasting impression and inspire your audience. Outro: unleash your inner speaker. There you have it. 7 powerful tips to transform you into a confident, captivating speaker. Embrace your voice, step onto that stage with unwavering confidence, and watch as you move hearts and change minds. Now go out there and unleash the incredible speaker within you.